Alright, so this is Spencer Nazat, and this is my last segment of my volleyball skills videos, and this is the description and instruction on how to run a 6-2 volleyball offense. So, when you are on offense, you have, when you're playing in general, you have two setters, and those are represented by the stars on my screen here. You have setter 1 and you have setter 2, and they're positioned at opposite ends of the court. You also have a mid, a front mid, and a back mid. And then you have opposites, which kind of explain what they are by their name. The two setters are kind of specialty players. You want them to be your quicker athletes. You want them to understand the game a lot more. You want them just to, be your leaders of the team. When they're on the front of the row, like this guy here, they are attackers, just as the other two here are. But when they're in the back, they are the setter. So in this position here, if we have this person serving, the setter serving, this person serves the ball across the net, their job is to run up to the front and become the setter to receive the opponent's hit or anything once it comes back over. Once the serve is given, these two players move over and they are to cover the back. So we have two in the back, but that means we have a setter in the front and then 3 attackers, so that no matter where this setter can hit it in the front, we'll have someone there to attack the ball. This changes, of course, when you get the serve back. So this is our setup now. If we get the serve, everybody's rotating, so this person will come here, here, over. Now we have two setters in the middle. So what happens here is that when the ball is served, this person here serves the ball over, they come back up, and then the setter now comes to the front and assists the attackers again and is here in the middle to take the serve, and these two players converge in the middle here in the back. So again, we have a setter and 3 attackers in the front and also 2 players in the back to receive the opponent's ball. Now the last position of this is we have our guys here in the middle. Alright, so this is how we just were. This is where we are in our rotation. Now we gain the point back, or we're rotating again. So we're rotating. So now what we have is opposite of how we started. So now our setters are opposite each other on these sides of the courts. Now it's almost the same thing. Here we have our person serving the ball, serves over, comes up back to his position, but our setter is now in charge of coming forward, and we'll have this player kind of move back here. Alright, so we have the setter, so the setter is going to take the second hit just like he normally does and give it to these 3 attackers so that they can attack the ball over the net and get a spike or a kill, and then these 2 players cover the back. So it's a basic movement. It's just a lot of kind of learning once you get into the game, and you have to focus on what the game plan is. But the game plan is to, these 2 people here receive the ball as soon as it's hit over, and then the setter the game plan is to give the setter the ball in the second hit so that they can set it to our attackers here, which are normally taller, stronger, able to get the ball over the net at a high velocity to score a kill on the other team. So, saying all that, that is the basics of a 6-2 offense. So, thank you for watching.